Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at this 2019 Springdale SM2570. For starters, on the front of the unit, you do have a large pass-through storage space. It does have electric jacks, nice lighted and power awning that extends almost the full length of the camper. There are outdoor speakers, and over here you've got an outlet. It does come with a spare tire. Check out that large window in the back. Lets in tons of light. Let's take a look inside. So we'll start off right here at the back of the unit. There are two recliners with a nice little end table between them. Up above you do have storage compartments. This unit does have one slide. On the slide is a cafe style dinette. So with this dinette, it will fold down into a bed, and there is storage underneath the cushions. Off your dinette is your TV entertainment center. So you do have cabinetry up above. Here's where you would mount your TV. There is a PreOwned radio and more cabinetry. In your kitchen area, you do have a Dynamax refrigerator. This will run off of gas and 12 volt. A 3-burner PreOwned stovetop and oven. High point microwave, some more cabinetry, and a large single basin sink. Let's take a look back here. First and foremost, there are some corner cabinets here for a little extra storage. Right here in the bathroom, you do have your vanity, and up above is your medicine cabinet. Over here is a large corner shower. It does have a vent overhead. And off of the shower, there's more storage. And of course your toilet. And finally, back here, actually at the front of the camper is your bedroom. So you do have your bed, there's some storage underneath the bed. You've got a nice little place to set, your phone or a CPAP mask, CPAP machine if you need that in the night. There's also outlets on each side of the bed for that. And then there are two closets up above with a shelf in between. It does have a barn door style door. If you want to see this unit in person, come check it out at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.